Navi Gill had a bad cold in September, but the one symptom that lingered was her cough.
It was debilitating. It would like keep me up at night, and I was like coughing throughout work and had to keep explaining to people that I wasn't sick.
To get some relief, she tried cough medicine.
It didn't really do anything. It still lasted like about 6 weeks, despite me trying all these, medications.
A new article in CMAJ says coughing after respiratory infections is common. That post-viral cough can last anywhere from 3 to 8 weeks. And in most cases, patience is the best treatment.
We look at evidence all the way from asthma puffers to some of that over-the-counter medications to codeine, and it really shows none of these work effectively. And in the trials that have run, most patients with post-infectious cough have their cough resolve on their own without any treatments at all.
Family physician Dr. Kevin Liang at the University of British Columbia in Vancouver says those treatments can also have nasty side effects and be expensive.
Up to a quarter of adults can experience that cough that sticks around after a respiratory infection. But if it goes on longer than 8 weeks, see a doctor.
Fever, difficulty breathing, difficulty swallowing, or even voice changes. So if you're at all worried, it's not a bad idea to check in with your doctor just to see if it could be something else that's causing the cough.
I've always thought it was normal to have a cough after a cold, but I didn't think it was normal for it to last that long.
Navi says next time she'll keep in mind it's just a matter of time. Bradley Blackburn, CBS News.
Well, if you do have a history of pneumonia or an extended history of smoking, it's also a good idea to get a lingering cough checked out.